Hi you guys, so today we are going to Ava's birthday party. What in the world is my camera doing right now? If you notice, we are back on the G7X Mark II. No GoPro today because in our last vlog, the most recent one, it's called Cooper Took Over the Vlog, my GoPro got water in the lens. Brand new GoPro with water in the lens. So we're back to this little guy, so there won't be any underwater footage, but whatever. Cody, are you gonna go swimming? Can you say hi? You'll notice that there are no children besides Cody and Carter in the car, and that is because they went with Grandma and Grandpa down to Ava's 8th birthday party today. Okay, I think I have camera issues. My camera just shut off, so there was an error. Anyways, I don't know what I was saying. Oh, for any of you Corona people out there that think that we're gonna kill the whole world by having a birthday party, it's just my family and my sister's family. We have all been together this whole time. So no issues there, no strangers. I'm not going to an old folks home after. It's just a fun birthday party, and it's supposed to be about 80 degrees, 85 degrees today, 95 tomorrow, which is like insanely hot. So and just remember, if you enjoy these videos, make sure that you subscribe. My camera keeps tweaking out. I hope it's not breaking. So anyways, we will see you guys. Look how beautiful it is. We'll see you at Ava's house, or not, jeez. We'll see you at my parents' house for Ava's birthday party. Hi, Cody. Are you gonna get in the water?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing?
Say hi.
Hi. Is that swimming, you guys? Is that Grandma waterproof or no?
No. What are you doing, Bear?
I am going. Did I take that underwater?
No.
Why?
Cody, get in the water.
You guys.
What?
You guys want to watch me jump in? I didn't show you guys jumping off.
Okay, go. Woo! Whoa!
You guys, I spent the night at Grandma's house Thursday and Friday. You guys today. Yesterday we went to Halloween store. You guys watch me jump in.
Watch out for Chloe.
Watch out, Chloe.
Are you going swimming, buddy?
Oh, we did.
Are you gonna get in the water and be brave?
Carson, you're the only one that wears glasses. Oh, no, Car, you want your glasses on? Okay, you just gotta move it, okay. Careful, it will melt. Oh, yep, melt.
So you guys, we're going to have cake. You guys sing happy birthday to Ava, you guys.
Oh, gosh, shut up.
What else you want? They're coming.
Okay.
This is three up the eighth on.
One more.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ava. Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
I'm not gonna give them.
I don't want those.
Why don't you want M&M's, Coop?
Because I don't like them.
Chloe, you want anything to say anything?
We're having cake.
Yeah?
We're having cake, you guys.
You guys.
Guys.
Carson, are you having ice cream cake? Yeah?
Here, somebody grab Nana the spoon, please.
This is mine.
Cody,
Pass her out.
are you having cake? He's been looking kind of impatient, huh? Yay!
Yeah, you are Ava and Jelly Beans, right?
Yep.
You having yummy cake?
What did you have it made out of?
Cake?
There's
Mmm.
Oreos, M&M's, whipped cream, ice cream, sandwiches, ice cream.
How's the cake, guys? Good? Happy birthday, Ava. Ava's 12 years old today.
Ava's 8.
I'll take
Oh.
that one that's sitting there.
I don't know where the presents are.
Sorry, honey.
How is it, Carter? Yummy cake?
I'm gonna go back in the water.
Do you want to say anything, Bear?
What? I'm gonna go swimming now.
Hey, bye.
Bye.
Oh, Heidi.
Hi, Chloe. Is the garbage bag still out here? Hi, cutie.
Yeah, right there. Target gift card. Look at Cooper and Melissa.
Happy birthday, love the Bradleys. What do you say?
Oh, we love
Thank
Target.
Target.
I have the same shirt.
Jess did it.
Oh, you
I
wear
love
it at the
this
same
shirt.
time. That is so
That's
cute.
super cute.
Oh, I love it, Ava.
Back to school.
Ooh,
Oh,
what
now
could that
you have
be?
a present inside of a present? What? Is that like having a baby?
What?
you have a baby inside of you.
Yeah, are you ready for work?
Right?
American Girl doll.
I
What? Willy Wisher.
I picked out
Willa.
Ah.
I picked that one out.
Let me see it.
Did?
Hold it up.
Cool.
How's your cake, Carter?
Had to get one for
Carter,
Shoot, I will.
you embarrassed?
Let's go.
That's what I
Cody.
was squishy things. You make your own. How do you say cheese?
Oh my gosh, rainbow jellies, feel it.
Yeah, Nolan.
Put that in the pool, floating.
Your code, you want to do a video? Sing happy birthday. Sing happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
She's got it.
Scale of 1 to 10.
24.
And what are we rating?
The party. COVID party.
Anyone get corona today?
Maybe.
This is a corona-free zone. We do not allow the corona. I have this peppermint corona spray.
And we've taken a hydrocloxyor.
Yeah, we've taken
And-
hydroxychloroquine.
I injected some
I'm
Lysol
injecting
before I
Lysol
came.
in my
Look,
vein.
he dropped the balloon and took the wiener.
that could be taken out of context. Send that audio clip to your friend.
The same thing.
Daddy.
Birthday party's over. It's a little short video for you guys today. Do you want to say anything, Coop?
Dad, can I play popcorn?
Okay, guys. Cooper has something to say real quick.
Can I play popcorn? Me too.
No one's playing with anyone tonight.
And I play popcorn tonight.
Yes.
Can I wash my knife?
But we're vlogging, guys.
We're going home.
Tell them about your day.
We're going home, you guys. It's a birthday party, so hopefully you guys get all we had.
Yep.
It's so good.
Hey guys, it's Sunday right now, and we're gonna finish our video. This is like a short vlog because I'm using my but my vlogging camera, my Canon. Tell them what we bought today. What did we get a new version of?
A GoPro.
Yes, we replaced our GoPro Hero 8, which got water in the lens. So Cooper's gonna vlog later today, and we'll post a new vlog on our channel for you. Are you gonna do a vlog?
Yeah, yeah. So you guys.
Cooper, hold it out and stay here, please. Don't go anywhere, Cooper. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next
Bye.
one. Bye.
Make sure you like.
Dad, thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Oh, high five. Miss Boo.
Bye.
And bye.